You'll need some purple fabric art paint for this design, or the colour of your choice. Just put some out on the palette there, and you'll also need your hand carved lino design and a spouncer. Now you want to load that spouncer up. It's a bit of you might want to do a couple of tests before you go to print on the fabric, but it's about getting enough on the sponge but not too much that it bleeds into the carved areas of the block. So once you've loaded up your sponge, it's time to apply it to the top surface of the design. So just gently dab over the top of the design. Once you're happy you've got a good amount of ink onto the lino block, it's time to print your fabric. So carefully, you want to put it in that top corner because that's where we're going to start. Put the block down and firmly press that design onto the fabric. You need to do a good firm finger walk and a firm thump with your fist. You really want to try and press as much ink on as possible. Pull it off, and there's our first print. Now all that's left to do is to continue printing until you've filled the whole of the tote bag. So Kat has almost filled the tote bag with the lino print design. To make it continuous, we need to do something about that edge on the right hand side. To resolve this problem, what Kat is going to do is just ink up the third of that lino print, just to take it right through to the edge. And there it is, lino print, continuous design on a tote bag, ready for your next shopping trip.